This is OPPO A1, and today I will show how you can scan a document into a PDF file on this device. So first and foremost, you will need to launch the Google Drive app. That should come pre-installed with your system. If it isn't, just get it for free from the Play Store. Then tap at this plus icon at the bottom right corner of your display, choose the scan option, allow Drive to have the camera access. Then simply take a photo of your document. Then proceed by tapping at the check icon or check mark icon, whatever. Then over here you can edit your scan, for example, change its color scheme, rotate it, or frame the part of the photo you would like to, result in the PDF file, or end up in the PDF file rather. Then once you are satisfied and ready to save it, hit the save option. You can make some last minute changes such as renaming your file or changing its drive location, and then hit the save button one final time. Wait for your scan to be uploaded to Google Drive. And here is the result. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.